The morning sun filters through the window, revealing the quiet chaos of a life well lived. We often try to control every single detail around us every day, but sometimes our endocrine system is the very first thing to start protesting against the constant stress and the endless demands of our modern daily busy schedules. The next 7 days are not about a harsh revolution or strict restriction, but rather a gentle reconciliation with your own body and your inner energetic self. I like to call this process a deep restructuring of energy from within, starting with the very fuel we choose to put into our precious human vessels. Remember that this journey is about nourishing nutrition, not about achieving an impossible standard of perfection. It is about listening to what your soul truly needs now. We begin this path by acknowledging where we are, embracing the mess, and deciding that our health is worth the time and the focused intention we provide. As we wash away the surface dust of yesterday, we prepare our minds for a transformation that goes much deeper than just the food on our dinner plates. Every drop of water and every piece of produce is a step toward harmony. Let us release the pressure to be perfect and embrace being truly present. Welcome to your 7-day journey of healing. Together, we will rediscover the vibrant energy that has been waiting patiently inside of you to be fully awakened. Why do we focus so much on food for healing? Because every bite is a chemical message sent directly to your brain and your complex hormonal system. Take the choice of turkey over red meat this week, for example. Turkey contains tryptophan, which is a vital precursor for producing serotonin, your happiness hormone. Each ingredient I have carefully selected is not just to satisfy your hunger, but to communicate effectively with the endocrine glands that might be feeling exhausted. We are looking at the science of balance. When we provide the right building blocks, our bodies can finally start the intricate work of internal self-repair. Understanding the why behind our meals empowers us to make better choices. It transforms a simple diet into a powerful form of self-care in medical healing. This green elixir is more than just vitamins. It is a signal to your liver to begin the gentle process of clearing out the old energetic clutter. Healthy fats are the foundation of hormone production. Without them, our internal messengers cannot travel where they are needed to maintain our overall mental stability. When you drink this, imagine it nourishing every cell. You are giving your body the tools it needs to find its natural rhythm once again today. Ginger acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, soothing the gut and allowing for better absorption of all the life-giving nutrients we are about to introduce. By aligning our plates with our biology, we bridge the gap between physical health and mental clarity. This is the true science of holistic healing energy. The first 3 days serve as our essential foundation. We focus on purification and grounding, stripping away the inflammatory triggers that often cloud our daily lives. Connecting with the earth, even in a small way, helps stabilize our nervous system. We are literally and figuratively planting the seeds for our new beginning. Root vegetables are our best friends during this initial phase. They grow deep in the soil, carrying an energetic weight that helps us feel more secure. As we simmer these roots into a nourishing soup, we are slowly releasing their deep minerals. This warmth is exactly what a tired endocrine system craves. Eat in silence if you can. Allow yourself to truly taste the earthiness. This quiet connection to your food is a vital part of the recovery. Fresh greens act as a broom for the system, gently sweeping away toxins and providing the chlorophyll needed to revitalize your blood and your energy levels. Notice how you feel as you simplify your intake. The noise in your head might begin to quiet down as your body feels less burdened by processing. Physical grounding is just as important as nutritional grounding. Take a moment to feel the world around you, reminding yourself that you are safely held. Hydration is the key to movement. We are flushing out the old to make room for the new, vibrant life force that is starting to circulate. Document your feelings during these 3 days. You might feel tired, or you might feel a sudden burst of clarity. Both are signs of deep change. There is beauty in this simplicity. We are returning to the basics, honoring the ancient wisdom of the earth that resides within our own biological cells. As the sun sets on day 3, celebrate the fact that you have cleared the path. You are now ready to begin the phase of nourishment. Days 4 and 5 are about building back up. Now that we have cleansed the foundation, we start to flood our systems with high-quality, rebuilding nutrients. We introduce omega-3 fatty acids through beautiful salmon. These are the essential building blocks for your brain and the protective coating of every single nerve cell. Quinoa provides the complete protein and complex carbohydrates needed for sustained energy. No more mid-afternoon crashes, just a steady, calm flow of focus and power. Life doesn't stop just because we are healing. My kitchen might still be a bit messy, but my internal state is becoming much more resilient now. I choose to nourish myself right in the middle of the beautiful chaos. My health is the anchor that keeps this family ship sailing smoothly along. Antioxidants from berries protect our cells from the oxidative stress of daily life. It's like putting on a suit of armor made of pure light. Presentation matters because we eat with our eyes first. When we treat our food with respect, we are ultimately treating our own bodies with respect. As my hormones begin to stabilize, I find I have more patience, more laughter, and more capacity to be present for the ones I love. Don't fear the fats. High-quality olive oil is like liquid gold for your metabolism, helping your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins that keep you glowing. There is a deep, primal satisfaction in preparing food that you know will heal you. It is the most basic and powerful form of self-love. I am not aiming for a perfect life, just a balanced one. These 2 days of intense nourishment are the bridge to a much deeper recovery. Can you feel the shift? The heaviness is lifting, replaced by a subtle, humming energy that feels both exciting and incredibly grounded at the same time. Settle into this feeling of being fed, not just filled. You are building a stronger, more resilient version of yourself with every single mindful bite. We have reached the final phase, days 6 and 7. This is about deep recovery and liberation. We turn our attention to the gut microbiome. Your gut is often called your second brain. By introducing probiotics through fermented foods, we are essentially supporting our mental health from the bottom up. This stage is about integration. We take the time to reflect on how far we have come and how much lighter our spirits feel after this week. Chamomile tea at night signals to your adrenal glands that it is safe to rest. We are ending the cycle of constant fight or flight. Even our treats are healing now. This lightness isn't the result of a restrictive diet, it is the natural outcome of a body finally being heard. Healing is a quiet process. It doesn't always happen with a bang. Sometimes it is just the absence of the old, familiar, heavy mental fog. The sweetness of life returns when we are no longer struggling against ourselves. These last 2 days are a celebration of that newly found internal freedom. Your home environment starts to reflect your internal state. As you find balance within, your world outside begins to feel much more harmonious and manageable. You have bloomed in just 7 days. It is remarkable how quickly the human body responds when it is finally given the exact nutrients it needs. Deep recovery means you have the reserves to face whatever comes next. You are no longer running on empty. Your well is full of vibrant energy. As we close this chapter of the 7-day journey, we realize that this is actually just the beginning of a much larger, more beautiful life story. Rest now, knowing you have honored your temple. Tomorrow, you will wake up as a woman who truly knows the power of healing through real food. This journey doesn't actually end on day 7. It is an invitation into a brand new lifestyle, a way of living that honors your unique biological needs. If you ever feel lost or overwhelmed again, the roadmap in the Align workbook is always there to guide you back to your center and your health. It is your companion, designed to help you understand your body's signals more clearly than ever before. You are never truly alone on this healing path. Consistency is where the magic happens. By making these small, healing choices every day, you create a sustainable ecosystem of health within your own life. Notice the difference. The chaos is still there, but you are the calm in the center of the storm. That is the power of hormonal alignment. The Align ecosystem is here to support your total transformation. From your plate to your mind, we provide the tools for your most radiant self. You have the knowledge now. You have the experience of how good it feels to be truly nourished. Don't let that feeling slip away ever again. Step into your power. This lifestyle is your gift to yourself, a way to ensure that your light continues to shine brightly for years to come. To every woman watching, you deserve to feel radiant from the inside out. You deserve to have the energy to enjoy every moment of your life. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to take that first brave step toward yourself. The path is already waiting for you today. Welcome to the beginning of your true self. Your journey of healing and restructuring starts now, and it is going to be absolutely beautiful and transformative. Click the link to begin your 7-day transformation with Align. Your body is ready to heal. Are you ready to listen? Let's begin this journey together.